Welcome to a new review video. I'm John from DIY ELIQUID Recipes, and today I will quickly take a look at this nice and light flavor. So this will be vanilla cupcake from the Flavor Apprentice. This is a fairly popular and often used concentrate. You might not see it much in newer recipes, but it used to be one of the staple vanilla flavors from TFA, and it still holds up very well. There are a few other alternatives like the vanilla cupcake from Capella, which is not bad, but today I will concentrate on the TFA version. This vanilla cupcake is more of a vanilla and less of a cupcake. It mainly has a light and sweet vanilla flavor with a slight amount of cake or cookie side flavor. If you're intending on using it for making a cake or cupcake e-liquid, then you would have to slightly boost the cake base. On the other hand, if you're looking for a new vanilla flavor to try or to use as an accent in your current recipes, vanilla cupcake will also fit in well for that purpose. It is a good and balanced flavor that will work well in most cases without introducing any side flavors or any odd aftertaste. It is not too strong or concentrated, so here are some recommended starting ratios for using this flavor. If you want to use it or just try it alone, for a mild mix, use it from 5% up to 8%. And for making a stronger solo e-liquid, you can use it higher from 7 up to 12%. After 12%, it will slowly start tasting more artificial the higher you go, but I have seen it used as high as 20% in other recipes online. But personally, I wouldn't recommend using it that high. If you also want to make your own e-liquids using this flavor, you can use it as the main base from 5% up to around 8%. And if you want to just add it as an enhancer or a booster, use it from 1 up to 2%. At this low ratio, this flavor will introduce a light vanilla flavor to most other finished recipes. In general, this flavor works very well for vaping. It will create nice and smooth e-liquids with a good balance of flavor and vape body. Also, since it is pretty popular, you will be able to find a lot of different types of recipes to make with it. And speaking about recipes, I have a quick recipe to show you that is using this flavor. This is a very simple cupcake e-liquid that you can make either to try out this flavor for the first time, or if you want to make a quick new vanilla e-liquid to try out. So here's the recipe for you. It uses the TFA cupcake fairly high at 7% as the base, with a side help from the very full tasting vanilla custard version 1 from Capella. The vanilla custard this time is here to add to the cupcake and not so much to lead. What it does is adds more depth and character to the vanilla cupcake without taking away anything from the cake flavor. You will still be able to taste the cupcake base with a nice twist to its taste. And finishing with the also very good and realistic meringue from Flavor Art. This flavor will build up even further on the vanilla profile and help making it taste even more realistic and full. And in the end, finishing with some sweetener, which definitely helps the flavors in this recipe and also adds a little bit of extra body to the vanilla flavors included here. Altogether is a nice and mild recipe that will vape with a good body and a rich vanilla taste as intended. The flavors included in this recipe have a good synergy, and it will show when you vape this e-liquid for the first time. Regarding steeping, it is recommended to let it steep for about 5 days for the best results. In conclusion, the vanilla cupcake from TFA is generally considered a good flavor. If you're looking for a new and slightly different vanilla than the usual flavors you already have, this is a good recommendation. On the other hand, if you're looking for the best cupcake flavor to buy, I can't say this one should be the only one to have, but it is definitely one of the better ones to try. If you already have it in your flavor collection, leave us your thoughts or any recipes you may have yourself. It is good to see you here until the end again. Thank you for watching today, and I will see you again next very soon.